Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now, at the right top, we have a device button, and you need to press this button, and if you have Windows 10, you will see this button at the top. So, in this window, you need to select Bluetooth, and after that, we can open the charging case. At the right side of the case, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking white. So, press and hold. We just enter to pairing mode and we should see them at the device list. Click at your earbuds and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!